Can forensic facial reconstruction bring ancient people back to life? Imagine looking at a face and knowing exactly who it belonged to hundreds or even thousands of years ago. That's what forensic facial reconstruction aims to do. It's a fascinating mix of science and art that helps us see the past more clearly. But can it actually bring ancient people back to life? Let's find out. Forensic facial reconstruction uses the bones of ancient individuals, mainly skulls, to create a visual image of what they might have looked like. Experts study the skull shape and apply knowledge about tissue thickness, which varies based on age, sex, and ancestry. They also use technology like three-dimensional computer models and CORT scans to make these images more detailed. Sometimes DNA analysis can tell us about skin and hair color, making the face even more realistic. However, it's important to remember that these reconstructions are educated guesses. The skull doesn't tell us everything about soft tissues like the nose, lips, or ears. Artists and scientists estimate these features based on available data, but there's always some uncertainty. For example, the shape of the nose or the texture of the skin can only be approximated. Also, features like hairstyle or facial expressions cannot be precisely known from bones alone. In archaeological sites, especially cemeteries and urban areas where ancient remains are found, facial reconstructions help us connect with past communities. They turn anonymous skeletons into faces we can relate to, making history more personal. This practice can also reveal clues about social status, health, and cultural practices of ancient populations. Advances in technology have improved the accuracy of these images. For instance, genetic information can sometimes suggest and hair color, adding more detail. These reconstructions have been used on mummies and well-preserved remains, giving us vivid images of individuals from long ago. Despite all these tools, forensic facial reconstruction cannot truly bring someone back to life. It creates a visual approximation, a face that might resemble the person but isn't an exact replica. It's more like a portrait based on scientific evidence rather than a photograph. It helps us see and understand the human side of history, especially when combined with other archaeological data. So, while forensic facial reconstruction can make ancient people appear more real, it doesn't restore their life or personality. It's a way to humanize the past and make history more engaging. It's a powerful tool in archaeology, especially in urban and cemetery sites, that helps us imagine the lives of those who came before us.